Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be in the world. This is Manfred. This is my YouTube channel. You are welcome. You are welcome. I don't waste time. I just go in and select my solid color. I have my code here 18, 26, 25. It's a dark gray color. So I want to bring in a triangle. So I select triangle 2, then I draw out my triangle. I have my triangle in here. So I want to change the color to gray, but I want you to see the gray color code that I use. So I want to check why is it not coming. Okay, let me check it from here. Okay, it's 45. You see 45, 55, 59, 45, 55, 59. This is the color code that we are using for this gray. Right, so I want to bring in a circle and select the left to draw out our circle. So this circle will take a stroke. We don't want to use the filled option, we want the stroke option. So we select our stroke and okay, scale it. I think you add some to it because as you enlarge it, the amount of stroke that you want will reduce, so you still have to increase the stroke. Yeah, so okay, we have done that. You have to position it well. All right, that's done. So we bring in our text tool. We want to type out some words that we are going to use for this design. It's basically about business design. It's a business design. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, we want the text to be visible, so we want to go in and select the color white. Okay, let me finish typing them out and see what we can do. So we are creative marketing agents. That's what we are going to type. So we have our and we have our creative here. We want to bring in our digital marketing agency. So we are on the agency now. We type out the agency. So we want to group this thing. We want to give every individual text a triangle. We just want to create some style with a triangle and the text. So we want to create a triangle for each and every text that we created. We are creative digital marketing agents. So we want to start with the marketing first because I want to place more emphasis on the marketing. You understand? So after that, then the agency will come below the marketing, then the digital will come on top of the marketing, then we have the creative on top of the digital, and we are as it has been arranged. Yeah, as it has been arranged already, we just do it as such. So I want to scale it. I want to position one and scale it up. Okay, this is this is okay now. Okay, so I would like to change the position of the triangle by going to the edit and select the transform, select the and switch it up. Okay, we are cool here. So I want to copy this triangle and use it for the agency, and as well use it for the digital also. This is what I've been saying. You're trying to copy something, then you copy another one. So you just have to select the triangle and Control and J, then you get your duplicate. You bring it down, select a different color for it. After you are done, just position it wall and bring the agency on top. You have to select from the layer panel, you have to bring it on top of the triangle. The edge is on top now, so we want to scale it up. After we are done, we just rotate it. I will still go to the edit, select the transform, sweep, we twist it a bit. Okay, that's what we want to do, so that's done. Our marketing is locked, so we have to go and enable it. We have disabled it, and we can move it around. Okay, I want to copy the triangle, so you let me enlarge this one first before copying the triangle. Yeah, we have that done now. So you can realize that the text are behind the triangle that we have created, so we have to move them on top of the triangle that we have created so that we can see what we are doing. Okay, it is in now. We are still using the effect we use for the marketing and the agency, so we just have to scale it first before we go to the edit and select our transform and do the effect that we want to do. Why is this thing messing up like this? um, okay, I have to do it again. I still have to copy this one and bring it here again. As I said, transform, then okay. Okay, we are done with this one. So we go to the creative also. So we want to copy this triangle also and use it for the creative. So we copy it for the creative, bring it on top of the triangle, we position it in we copy this one rather and bring it on top, and we still move it forward so that it can be on top of the triangle and it can be visible. Okay, I think the arrangement is now done now, but I'll try and see if I can adjust some few. I'll try and see if I can adjust some and see. So I don't want to waste time here, I don't want to waste time on this, so just want to this thing I'm picking. This is how Photoshop can mess you up sometimes. So just have to type the VI again and just put it at where I want it to be. I want to scale it down to fit. Okay, we are done. Position it well. We didn't select the VR, so we have to go back and select it first before we can move. We're still not selecting it. Go back. Okay, it has been selected now. Alright, so this is my resource. I just have this man gentleman in here, and I want to scale it up. Okay, so I want to create an idea here. I want to make make it seem that he is in a circle that we have created. So as you see that one, I went to select this so that I can just select the color black to cover it up. So we want to make sure that the edges of the dress, the edges of the person is smooth, that you will not detect that this is what we have done. So as much as you can, you just want to brush it off. As you are going to the edges, you make sure that you lower the brush stroke to get a perfect. Alright, that is done. That is done. Everything seems okay now, so I just want to place this wall. I want to adjust it wall. I want to place it wall. So I realize that this one is big, so I want to squeeze it. So we are cool now. We are cool here. We want to do something different here also. So we want to go back to our resource board, bring this arrow. We want to introduce this arrow so that it can be directed to something significant on this design. That's the function of an arrow. If an arrow is pointing towards something, that means that that particular thing is very important for you to note. So I want to change the color to white. As you already know how to change the color, you double click on the layer so that you can get to the properties of the layer, and you just go to color overlay and just change the color to the color that you want to change it to. So after we are done with that, we want to say that we want to point it to something significant. So as a marketing agency or a digital marketing agency, we seek to achieve something. So this is what we are trying to do here. Help help you grow your business. So that's it. We scale it down a bit. Okay, we position it well. We are done. So we want to bring the text tool in and type our content. Sorry, our contact here. I can be creating content. So I'm saying content. Contact. Yeah. We have our number. For the sake of this tutorial, that's why I'm just using these numbers. It's not a real number, please. I want to use small letters because websites are known for small letters. Caps is not the preferable font to use. www.yourwebsite.com. Just creating this for you to know that if the company that you are working for have the website, you just have to place the website here. I don't want to add so many text on this design. That's why I'm limiting myself to these few informations. Alright. We want to position it well. Alright, so everything is perfectly done now, and you can see that we have introduced some element in here. We have our light effect at the background, and we have some my favorite element too also at the right and left top corner also. I said earlier on that I will see if I can adjust this place because I'm not getting the arrangement that I want. That's what I'm trying to do now, adjusting some few settings. Okay, I think now I'm cool. I am cool now. Change the color, everything is fine. We are creative digital marketing agency. Everything is cool now. Still want to bring it on top. Mm. Okay, bring this on top. Alright. So yeah, we are fine. We are good to go. This is a business advertising company, so we just do something simple but nice and attractive. Yeah, just want to just can we add we to this sentence? We okay. We we help you grow your business. All right, this is better now. We help you grow your business. Then we center it. We position it well. That's done. We are done here. Everything is set now. Thank you for watching my video. As you know already, subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. If you are an old subscriber, I really thank you for your support. God bless you all for your support. Please, to those who watch the videos and don't subscribe, kindly subscribe for me. Thank you. See you in the next video.